Welcome to this studio session of CodeLabs. Today we have Uruj Fatma with us, the creator of content and copywriter at CodeLabs. Hi Uruj, how are you?
Hi Amna, I'm great. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, absolutely great. Thank you for joining us. Today we are going to explore the digital world of content marketing. So let's start our session with an obvious question. How does content marketing drive revenue?
Content marketing drives revenue. Okay, that's a very interesting question. It's quite tricky as well. अपने कंटेंट को ऐसे लिखना है कि हम अपनी ऑडियंस को रिटेन कर सकें, कंटेंट रिलेटेड इवेंट्स कर सकें और वहाँ पे अपने कंटेंट को प्रमोट करें. इवेंट्स लाइक कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स हो गए रिलेटेड टू आवर इंडस्ट्री. So first we need to know about the content itself, because content is about setting in a strategy. And if you are talking about specifically for revenue, the content marketing helps a lot in general if you apply the right strategy at the right time. So I will point down few main strategies that I used to follow and advise people to follow that. So retain and bring new clients. Yani content marketing always helps in retaining new or old clients, and it also helps us in bringing new clients from around the world.
Moving on towards the next question, what are the three main tips of copy creation?
Okay, copy creation is a very interesting domain, I guess, for any writer. So the three main points I would highlight: always target your audience. If we know what we are selling, either we are going with a product or a service, we should know our audience. That impacts a lot on your content. If we are targeting right audience and writing for the right audience, that will directly hit to the customer and then definitely drive sales to us. Secondly, we should know our brand's unique selling point.
Absolutely. Moving towards the next question, how can we use content marketing to aware people regarding the product?
Okay, again, target audience is main point, and then brand unique selling point हमें पता होगा अपना, हम उस पर focus करेंगे और industry practices.
All right. Moving on towards the next question, what are the three main tips for a copy creation?
Be specific, make it conversational, and make enough strong to sell your product directly or indirectly, in both ways. As you know, you might have heard that copywriters used to mention sell the benefit, not the feature. So here I would say sell your benefit, not the feature.
Absolutely. Moving on towards the next question, share some common content marketing mistakes that people should not do.
Make reusable content. People often don't make content that don't have enough purpose. हमें लगता है हम एक दफा content बनाएंगे and that is it. No, content never expires. It can use gradually. We don't promote. So whenever you are applying content marketing, think that you have to promote it further.
I do agree with you.
And the third one, I would say, pass your content through a sales funnel. कॉपीराइटिंग अगर हम कोई कैप्शन लिख रहे हैं, इट्स फाइन कि वो कॉपीराइटिंग की तरह सेल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमें उसको सेल्स पर्सपेक्टिव में रखना चाहिए.
I absolutely agree. Moving on towards the last question for a session, is there a difference between B2C and B2B content marketing?
Yes, definitely. B2B or B2C itself is a difference. So target audience.
Thank you for being today with us. It was a great, wonderful session with you.
Thank you so much, Amna. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Alright, thank you for listening to this studio session of CodeLabs. Have a good day.